हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं रेहान हलाई। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज का हमारा वीडियो है कल्पतरु विवांत, द मोस्ट लग्जरियस एंड द ब्रांडेड प्रोजेक्ट ऑन JVLR। तो चलिए देखते हैं वीडियो।
Mumbai today is witnessing a massive infrastructural boom that will change the facade of the maximum city. A number of suburbs are undergoing a revamp, fueling a deluge of real estate possibilities. One such suburb that is becoming a new favorite is JVLR. A host of infrastructure upgrades are planned at JVLR, which will transform the area forever. Metro Line 7, Dahisar East to Andheri East, which will facilitate JVLR's connectivity to northern suburbs, will be fully operational by August 2022. Metro Line 6, which runs along JVLR, connecting Swami Samarth Nagar with Vikhroli, is expected to have a daily ridership of 400,000 and will ease the load on JVLR. With the development of the metro line, more office spaces will come up along the Seeps-Powai belt, resulting in more investments in the suburb. Since the inauguration of Metro 1, the suburbs around the route, Andheri-Versova-Ghatkopar, have witnessed an appreciation of 10 to 20%. A similar potential awaits at JVLR, making it a strategic location to reside or invest in. With excellent connectivity, presence of a well-established social infra, proximity to commercial hubs, JVLR offers all elements of a truly well-balanced life. The local authorities are also planning to widen the JVLR stretch to smoothen traffic movement. With so much happening in and around this suburb, it has a huge potential in store for home buyers. This arterial road today is heading towards a revolutionary progress in record time. Presenting Kalpataru Vivant.
I hope that this video was helpful in guiding you through the process of selecting the right project for your investment with us. And also visit our website for more details on propertyking.in. Thank you so much.